Nemo!
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
Nemo's running on the thing!
Oh, don't worry. Eyes on the board along the way.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help!
Stop playing games.
I love games! Where? I'm thinking of something. Bouncy that looks like a
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something. Please.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a Hey, snappy jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away.
Peekaboo. Watch out. Ah! Like I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around.
Your friends for food. I wonder if the clownfish taste the Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite. Clownfish!
Welcome to the EAC, dude.
This is awesome! Great show, Nemo! It's the AC!
Tell about her, kid.
Hey, to the
Hi! Rocket Offspring! Awesome! That's just a bit more.
Righteous Nemo, give me some fins! Noggin, dude!
Okay, little dudes! Get ready to ride!
Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
It's been
Where'd you go?
Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place. Make sure we turn that flash off, my friends. Thank you. It will scare a lot of fish. Step out and swim to the handrail, please.
Don't be shy, explorers. It's time to go.
Please step out of the shell and swim to the right-hand side. Swiftly exit your shell. Once the door automatically opens, and swim to the right-hand side. Let's look forward all the way up. Lost on the belt.